I tested all the popular Elementor add-ons. Some are loaded with widgets, some focus on templates, and some charge a premium price. But which one really gives you the most value at the lowest cost? In this video, I'll show you a full side-by-side comparison so you'll know exactly which add-on is worth your money and which features you might be missing out on. This video is going to give you the best value because instead of you spending hours testing or guessing, I've already compared everything for you: widgets, templates, features, pricing, and even unique tools. What one add-on has and what another doesn't, it's all side by side here. By the end, you'll clearly see which add-on gives you the most at the cheapest price. Before jumping to the main comparison, let me tell a few lines on why add-ons matter. Elementor by itself is powerful, but add-ons make the real difference. They save time, add creativity, and replace dozens of extra plugins. From sticky sections and image masking to pre-built templates and even ad block detectors, add-ons can literally change how fast and professionally you build websites. Add-ons also provide ready-made designs, which might cost a lot if you hire developers. If you search Elementor add-on in WordPress plugins, you will see many of them here. I will collect the top names from here for comparison. ElementsKit, Essential Addons, the Plus Addons, Ultimate Addons, UAEL, Element Pack Pro. These are some of the most downloaded and popular add-on packs, so comparing them head-to-head makes the choice much easier. Let's compare them in a chart. Here you see a detailed comparison between all these popular Elementor add-ons. I will give the comparison URL in the description below.
Let's start with the basics: widgets and templates. Some add-ons give you 90 or 100 plus widgets. A few go up to 120, but Element Pack Pro stands way ahead with over 290 plus widgets and more than 2,700 pre-made templates and pages. That's a massive library, which means you can build almost any type of website without hunting for extra plugins or spending hours on custom design. Another thing most people overlook is setup. Some add-ons force you to install their free version first, even when you've purchased the Pro. That's an extra step and sometimes slows down your site. With Element Pack Pro, you install once and get everything right away. For anyone running an online store, WooCommerce widgets are a must. Every add-on gives some support, but the depth really varies. Element Pack Pro gives you a complete WooCommerce widget set, so you can design product grids, carts, and shop layouts directly inside Elementor, no coding required. Live Copy Paste. This lets you literally copy a designer widget from one site and paste it into another Elementor site instantly. If you're a freelancer or agency, this saves a huge amount of time when reusing designs across projects. Another impressive feature is particles effects. Normally you'd need custom code or third-party scripts, but here it's built in. You can add animated particles and shapes in the background, making your pages look dynamic and interactive in seconds. Designers will appreciate tools like image masking and section sticky. With image masking, you can crop images into creative shapes directly in Elementor without Photoshop. And section sticky makes a section stay visible while scrolling, which is perfect for call to action areas or menus. For creative branding, there's also 3D text and advanced gradient backgrounds. These effects make headings pop and sections stand out without any manual CSS tricks. I didn't see this level of styling options in many of the other add-ons. Element Pack Pro also supports both custom CSS and custom JavaScript directly inside Elementor widgets. Some add-ons only allow one or the other, but here you get both, which is a big plus for developers who want flexibility without editing theme files. Now, here's one more feature that really surprised me: an ad block detector. If your website runs ads, this can detect when a visitor is blocking them and show a custom message. That's a very business-focused option I didn't see offered by most other add-ons. And finally, let's talk about pricing. While some competitors charge over $200 for lifetime plans, Element Pack Pro gives you everything for just $99 lifetime. That's less than half the price, while offering more features than any other add-on I tested. Currently, when I'm recording this video, there is a discount offer going on. You might be the lucky person by grabbing that, and if you're a developer, I definitely suggest you to buy a lifetime unlimited plan at this price. You can click on these features to get more explanations and understanding them. So after comparing widgets, templates, advanced effects, pricing, and real unique tools, the add-on that gave me the best overall value at the cheapest price is Element Pack Pro. It's not just about having more widgets, it's about having the right balance: unique features, thousands of ready templates, smooth setup, and competitive pricing. That's why after testing everything, I found this to be the best deal. If you check the Element Pack website, you will find that all widget and templates are shown in their website. You can check one by one from here without any hassle. This really provides a lot more functions than others, and the price comparison is totally opposite. This is actually the lowest cost provider among the competitors. So, what are you waiting for? Get the plugin and let us know your observation.